Welcome to this review of the Unication NP88 Numeric pager. Okay. Pager uses a Aaa battery. So to remove the battery, you have the lock over here. Pull that back, then slide it across. And there's the battery. You put the battery in, you hear the pager go off to notify that the battery has been installed. Okay, now that's closed and locked. Now here's the display. You also have a light that goes on. Okay, so that's how you set the alerts. Here's how you set the alarm. So you just wait a few seconds and then the alarm is set. And just wait a few seconds and then it'll be set, go back to the main screen. So that's how you set the time. Now you can set the date. And then you just wait a few seconds and then the date is going to be set. And there you go. This was a review of the Unication NP88 Numeric pager. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video and thank you for tuning in.